Welcome to Transhumanism Hub. Transhumanism is a scientific movement that advocates for the use of current and emerging technologies, such as gene editing and artificial intelligence, to enhance human capabilities and improve the human condition. Life is short. Old age often brings a decline in health and vitality, and cognitive abilities frequently plummet. It is estimated that 1 in 3 people born in 2015 will develop dementia. However, transhumanists do not believe this is an inevitable destiny. They believe aging can be halted or even reversed, and that enhancement technologies can drastically boost our IQ, redefining the physical and mental limits of humanity. This concept was first popularized by British biologist and philosopher Julian Huxley. He believed that social institutions could now actively shape human evolution to optimize and perfect the human species. The movement revolves around major scientific breakthroughs such as computer technology, space travel, and cryopreservation. Notably, Elon Musk launched Neuralink in 2016 to develop brain chips. In July 2022, its competitor, Synchron, became the first to complete a brain implant surgery for an ALS patient in the US. By early 2024, Neuralink also successfully enabled a paralyzed patient to operate a computer with their thoughts. These breakthroughs tell us one thing: the boundary between carbon-based biology and silicon-based computing is blurring. Now, let's focus on the 2 core pillars: aging and gene editing. At the molecular level, aging is an incredibly complex biological process. Science currently recognizes 12 hallmarks of aging, such as genomic instability, epigenetic alterations, telomere shortening, and mitochondrial dysfunction. Scientists are now learning to actively reverse these signs. In March 2026, Professor David Sinclair of Harvard Medical School finally transitioned epigenetic reprogramming into human clinical trials. Meanwhile, other companies are developing even safer alternatives. For instance, Shift Bioscience discovered a single gene target called SB000, which can reverse cellular aging without triggering pluripotency. Additionally, senolytic drugs, designed to clear zombie cells that stop growing but release inflammatory factors, are advancing rapidly. Everything points in one direction. Aging is shifting from an unalterable fact of life into a manageable medical condition. And this is just the beginning. For billions of years, life was driven by natural selection, but modern science has changed everything. In the 21st century, the emergence of CRISPR gene editing gave humans the supreme power to rewrite the blueprint of life and take charge of evolution. We are standing as peers to the Creator like never before. However, current CRISPR technology is far from perfect. Our understanding of gene interactions is just the tip of the iceberg. While gene editing could end hereditary diseases, dangerous off-target effects could trigger unknown risks at any time, leading to catastrophic consequences like cancer. Even so, when the technology truly matures, we might not become Super Saiyans, but we could certainly customize striking appearances, extraordinary talents, and nearly infinite lifespans. When the pursuit of perfection becomes the standard and obtaining it becomes a high-priced commodity, resources in healthcare and related fields will concentrate further among the wealthy. This will deepen class divisions, as the criteria for separation will no longer just be wealth and status, but genetic superiority. Yet, the march of human science will not stop because of technical flaws or social challenges. In fact, we are already living in an era that rejects imperfection. If aging intervention and gene editing reshape humans biologically, then brain-computer interfaces and AI will lead us toward a new form of existence. Brain-computer interfaces doesn't just allow paralyzed patients to control wheelchairs. It is decoding the secrets of memory reading and input, the first step toward mind uploading. The most ambitious goal of transhumanism is to upload one's consciousness into a machine to achieve digital immortality. As Ray Kurzweil predicted, the singularity is approaching. When AI intelligence explodes exponentially, the human body will become the bottleneck of civilization. Our only way out is to embrace it, merge with it, and migrate our consciousness to a digital world free from the threat of death. At that point, death will no longer be the end, but an old option we choose to turn off. None of this is far-fetched. From nanometer-scale precision repairs within cells to self-iterating general artificial intelligence, what was once science fiction is becoming reality. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll keep bringing you more cutting-edge research in future episodes. See you next time.